PRRD at this point in time?
Okay naman siya. Okay siya. Kitty gave him a massage.
Wow!
And then, Kitty, ikaw na magsabi.
Well, yung mga
Na siya, na speechless siya sa boyfriend. Hindi ata ready.
Ano sabi ni Daddy?
So, so ayun, I was updating him with the situation with our families, and is happy to hear that we are all doing well, that we are all okay, that we are continuing to pray for him. And ayun, mga positive things lang. We are telling him things that will uplift his spirit and things that will give him strength while he is inside.
Nice. May advice pa siya sa'yo?
Secret naman.
Kabalo siya may